Hey guys, it's Cassia. So today, as you can probably tell by the title, I am going to be doing another one of my makeup art series videos. If you guys love the last one, I'll link it up in the cards there. No, I think it's over here. My last makeup art series video was a Winnie the Pooh and Piglet inspired makeup look, and today I wanted to do another one, and as you can tell by the title, it is going to be a Mushu and Cricky Mulan inspired makeup look. But if you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. That will let me know that you liked it and want to see more. And check out my Winnie the Pooh makeup look if you guys are interested. And if you guys want more of these, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out, and click the little notification bell button and let me know what look I should do next. But if you guys like these kind of looks, I've been doing them more often on my Instagram, so follow me on Instagram. It's just at @CassRWong, and yeah, you can see some of my looks. I've also been doing some pictorials and stuff, so yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing more looks like this, then definitely check out my Instagram because that's where I do more of them. Without further ado, let's get down to business. To defeat the Hans. Sorry, I had to. So I'm gonna prime my face first because it just feels really dry, and you guys know, I'm sorry, I'm using this again. MAC Strobe Cream. I've been using this for ages. I absolutely love this stuff. I cannot stop. I'm gonna take my MAC 132 brush to apply this stuff. Just gonna add some hydration into my skin and a bit of a glow. Since this look is gonna kind of be red toned, the pinky glow that this primer gives will be perfect and really complement that. I'm just gonna take my Maybelline Master Conceal to prime my eyes. Okay, so as always, I'm taking my Morphe 35B. Don't know what I'm gonna do because they're discontinuing it, but whatever. I'm gonna start off with the red shade right here on a MAC 217 brush. Best brush ever. I'm just going to blend that in the outer edges of the crease. I'm now going to go into the orange shade right here. I'm going to place it on the inner corner of my eye and just connect that to the red. Okay, so I attempted to do some flames on my eyes. This one turned out like really big, so I attempted to do this one smaller. Now it just looks like, I don't know. To take photos of this, I'm just gonna go on this side. Now I'm gonna move on to my face makeup. So I'm gonna go on with foundation, and the foundation I'm gonna use is by Nars. It's their Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. I just haven't used this in a while and I love it, so I'm gonna use it. And I have a full first impression on this, so if you guys are interested in seeing a little review on this, then definitely check that out. And I'm just going to apply some of my Master Conceal under my eyes. And I'm going to take it on my little Real Techniques blending sponge. I love this little thing. It's so cute. I dropped the lid. I can't bother picking that up. Applying this under my eyes just to brighten up that area. Yep. I'm now gonna bronze up my face with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick. This is in the shade Suede. This one is a little bit too like orange, so this isn't really like for contouring. This is definitely a bronzing step. I really want to get another shade that's like less warm than this so that it can be more of a contour. So if you guys know which shade, definitely let me know. I'm thinking of getting the shade Mocha because I feel like that's what everyone uses for contouring, but I don't know. But I've been loving using this just to bronze up my skin. It just makes my skin look so good. Taking my MAC 188 brush to blend that out. Okay, now that that's all blended in, I'm going to go on with powder, and the one I'm using is by MAC. This is the Mineralize Skin Finish in the shade Light Plus. It just makes your skin look so smooth, and it's just a really lightweight powder. I love this for my dry skin, so yeah, just going over with that and just lightly pressing that in. My Deluxe Tapered Powder Brush by Cass Beauty. I don't know if you can see the difference, but it just makes my skin look so smooth, like puts a filter across your face. I love it. I'm going to finish up my face before we start drawing on crazy things. So I'm going to go on with my Hourglass bronzer just to emphasize that a bit more. This one is in the Nude Bronze Light shade. I'm just going to really lightly dust that across my cheeks, just to lightly bronze up my face a little bit more. I want kind of like a darker blush since we are working with red, so the darkest blush I own is MAC Peachy Keen. It's not even that much darker, but I just wanted a little something extra on the cheeks. And finally for highlighter, I'm going in for my Cass Beauty Summer Lovin' Highlighter palette, and I'm gonna take the Love Potion shade just because it is a bit of like a rose gold. And the rosiness will obviously suit the kind of tones we're using on the face. I absolutely love this. Obviously, it's my brand. But I'm just taking that with a Morphe M438 brush. And I love this highlighter because it's rosy, but it's not, it still looks natural. Like it's not too weird. You can't really see like a streak of just pink on your face like most other pinky rosy highlighters. It like blends in and sinks in, and it's so intense. I'm now just going to spray my face with just some normal Fix Plus, just to melt all the powders in. Of course, get my fan. Just gonna highlight my brow bone with the Love Potion highlighter. I'm going to be dipping my Cass Beauty Lip Detailer brush into this shimmery yellow shade. I'm going to kind of go in between these two just to make a kind of more shimmery yellow shade. I'm going to take that on at the inner corner of my eye, just to highlight that area. Taking the red shade from the Morphe palette on a Zoeva smudger brush. I'm just going to pack that really close to my lower lash line. And now I'm going to take the orange shade from the same palette and just blend that underneath the red, just to mimic the colours we put on the top lid. So now I'm just going on with some mascara. This is the Benefit Badgal Bang, the only mascara I ever use and love. Just applying a thin coat on my top and bottom lashes. Now going on to false lashes. These are my favourite at the moment. The Adrian lashes by Cass Beauty. These are silk, so they are cruelty free and vegan. I've just been loving these for like really fun, like these cartoon art looks, just because these are so dramatic. So like, you know, they still make a statement without taking away from the actual like fun makeup look. So yeah, I've just been loving wearing them. They are stunning. Yeah, these are their Adrian lashes again. Now for the fun part, I'm just going on with a lip liner, and I like using a lip liner because, as you can see, you can just kind of like wipe it away if you make a mistake with just like a little beauty blender. So I'm kind of using the lip liner to outline
the kind of characters, just the kind of drawing that I want to do. And now I'm going on with liquid lipstick, and I'm actually filling all of that out. So for this and for all of my looks, I've been using the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick equality set, just because it's like a rainbow, it's got all the colors. I've now finally bought some face paint, so the next one of these looks that I do will be using face paint, which will hopefully be so much easier. But yeah, in this one and my Winnie the Pooh one, I used liquid lipsticks, which is so difficult. But I love like mixing all the colors. I just mix them all in the back of my hand, and I just kind of, yeah, go in with all the colors before I outline, which I'm doing right now. And I'm just using a Maybelline Mask Precise liquid liner, I think is what it's called. This one's kind of like an old one, so it was really hard to work with. But yeah, I'm kind of outlining that with a liquid liner, which again, using a black face paint will hopefully be so much easier. And at this step, I needed Mushu to be a lot skinnier, just because I did make him a little bit fatter. So I just took some concealer and concealed that, and now outlining again, and yeah, that's kind of how I do this look.
So for lips, I really wanted to incorporate all the colours we'll use on the top half of our face, so the red, the orange, and the yellow. So I decided to go for this really fun like ombre red, orange, and yellow lip. So basically I just used a couple of Jeffree Star's liquid lipsticks from his Equality set. I used Redrum, which is the red shade, Flamethrower, which is the orange shade, and the yellow shade was Queen Bee. So I started off with red on the outsides and just kind of tried to leave it on the outsides. I didn't want to fully fill in my lips with that, otherwise the other colors wouldn't peek through very well. So I started off with the red, then I blended in the orange, and then yellow in the center of my lips. And this is how they look, and I don't know how I feel about it. I've never liked ombre lips, like even just nude lips. I've never liked how they look on me. So this is really different, but I think it's really, really fun and interesting, and it definitely like goes with this look. Now, what do you guys think? Maybe I should just stick to just like an all red lip. But then that's so basic. We're gonna stick with this for now. Maybe I'll take some photos with this and then I'll change it to the red lips, and we'll see what I feel. You'll see on Instagram what I decide to post. But yeah, that is this look done. That is my Mushu and Cricky look done. I think it was so fun. It was so hard to do because Cricky is so small, and like I'm just not really good with little detail yet. So I tried to draw them like a lot bigger than they are, and then it just looks really messy and whatever. But I am learning. I've literally only been doing looks like this for about a month now, so I'm practicing. I'm having so much fun. I'm getting there. So yeah, I just want to do more and more and more of these looks, and then I can improve, and we'll see like in a year like how much I've improved. Like it'll be so cool to see. So yeah, that is my Mulan inspired makeup look. Let me know what you thought. I know it's not the best drawing ever. Like I said, I'm not good at drawing at all, and especially drawing with makeup is so difficult. So yeah, it was a journey, but we got there in the end, and I'm really happy with what we got. Right now it is 12:31. I believe we started at like 10:30, so this took me 2 hours to do. Which is not that bad. Yeah, that is the video done. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys would like to see more of these, then please definitely let me know what you guys want me to do next. I've done Winnie the Pooh, now I've done Mushu. What do you want me to do next? I hope you guys are having a really great day wherever you are. Yeah, thank you guys so much for taking your time to watch this. Hope you guys are having a really great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.